long as I'm not doing anything indecent.
Hey guys, we're getting ready for the holidays. Here's our little Trudy Loos. And there's Kita. Got our tree started here. As you can tell, we are in the process of cleaning. Got the curtains down. The teenage right here like that. There she is right there. Yeah. Grandma's working on light fixtures and in the kitchen here. Yes. I'm not quite sure where our kitty cats are. But we are taking our curtains here. And I am hand washing them in a tub because I'm almost positive. Hold on a sec. Hey, Ma! Ma, what year did we get the curtains? So these curtains are from 1974. So I am trying to make them last because Ma and I are on fixed incomes. So I am hand washing them and then drip drying. But anyway, I wanted to show you. Here, let me come back out here. This is what we're doing on the Saturday. Oh, Grandma's giving her the kisses and everything from Kita. But this is what we're doing on the Saturday before Christmas when it snowed outside. Have a Merry Christmas, guys.